Today I want to talk about one of the main reasons why trading for a living isn't really suitable for everyone, and if you're one of those people, what you can do about it. I was looking into this recently and just thinking about it, and one of the reasons why I think people have such a problem with trading for a living is it's from an early age. Even when we're at school or going through high school, we're taught to go out and get a job. You know, our first job, our first paper round, or our first working down a local shop. We provide a service, and at the end of that, we get paid. Now, typically that will be at the end of the week, or certainly by the end of the month, because in life, the bills, they come in every week, or normally every month. So every month there's bills to pay, and we need money to have come in so we can pay for it. But in the world of trading, things aren't so certain. So there's no guarantees that at the end of every week or end of every month we're going to make profit. Typically, I trade longer term stuff. So I'm not a day trader. I trade patterns from daily charts. So what that means is, generally I can be trading a system that may not make profit for 2 or 3 months, but I know at the end of the 12-month period or at the end of every year there's going to be big profits there, but I don't know that they're going to be there at the end of every month. There's no certainty. So this is a problem that you can face if you're trying to trade for a living. If you need that guaranteed income at the end of every month, then trading is not necessarily going to provide that for you. There's no guarantees in trading. The market pays you when the market wants to pay you. That could be, you could, like I say, you might not make profits for 2 months, but then you could get probably maybe 6 months of the yearly profits could come within a month. So there's just no certainty, there's no guarantee. And this is why, if you need that guaranteed income at the end of every month, trading for a living could be a problem. And what I see traders doing who desperately require that profit at the end of every month, they start interfering with profitable systems. They start taking profits too early. They start holding on to losses and start really degrading the performance of what could have been a much better system. Now, there's a few things we can do about it. That's the good news. What I tend to do with my longer term stuff is I will diversify systems. So I'll have different systems. I'll run different systems at the same time, simultaneously. So what that does is, if one system, let's say over the course of a year, if one system makes a load of money, just it happens to make, there's no guarantees, but if it happens to make a load of money in, say, March and April, but then doesn't make money for the next 3 months, another system might not have made money in March and April, but that might have made a load of money in June, for example. So it diversifies, it kind of balances out your year. That's a really good way for someone who's wants more consistent profits throughout the year, not just the big profit after the year or that 12-month period. That's a good way of doing it. Now, another way you can do it, now this is something I'm looking into, and it's kind of speeding things up. So with any system, any trading system or strategy, you need to have an edge in the market. Now, an edge it's something that after a certain amount of trades, that the probability is there that you're going to make money after a certain amount of trades. There's never a guarantee that after 2 trades you're going to make money, or after 3 trades you might make money. There's little guarantees in that, but there is generally guarantees that after 10 trades or 20 trades, a large enough sample size, you're going to make money. So if you're trading slower or longer term, like daily strategies, daily systems, taken from daily charts, you might not make, let's say you might make 40 trades a year. So to play out your edge, it's going to take longer than if you were making, say, 40 trades a month. So to take more trades, then what you might have to do is you might have to enter the realms of day trading. So that's sitting intraday, making trades in and out within the day. So what it does, you can make more trades and play out that edge, or you're going to make money in the markets in a shorter period of time. So whereas trading longer term stuff, to play out your edge, you might have to take, let's say, 10 trades, and that could take you 2 months. But if you're taking trades faster during the day, that 10 trades that's taken you 2 months might only take you a week. So there's more probability of you making money at the end of the week. But I mean, day trading is a whole different video series, but that's a way of doing it. So that's my take really, and why a lot of people struggle when trading for a living. They're requiring that income is because the markets pay you when the markets want to pay you, and it's not a guaranteed thing. At the end of the month, when your electricity bill comes in, the market's not going to say, oh, here you go, here's your money for your electricity bill. It doesn't work like that. Maybe if in life we got bills at the end of every year, it would be easier, because there's a pretty much, you're fairly much guaranteed that you're going to make money at the end of the year. If you're trading profitable systems with decent edges, you're going to make money at the end of the year. But unfortunately, you don't get a bill from Tesco's or your grocery store at the end of every year. You need to pay for stuff after every day, every week, every month, but the markets aren't going to pay you when you need to put food on the table. They're going to pay you when the markets want to pay you. So that's why I think people struggle with trading for a living. There's 2 tips there on what I think you can do about it. Diversify your systems, or go to a shorter time frame and trade more often. Okay, so that might have been some help to some of you. It might resonate with some of you. Some of you might be in those situations, maybe struggling, or even found a really good way around it. Please let me know what you do. If you're having problems, you can comment down below, or email me, jared@thetransparenttrader.com. Head over to transparenttrader.com. That's where all the good stuff is. There's normally free stuff there that you can pick up. And please, thumbs up on this video if you liked it. If you didn't, thumbs down. Whatever. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And I'll see you on the next video.